Hello everyone, Melbet.com is giving up to $1,200 in bonus for those who register now and use the promotional code that I will show in this video. The first thing you have to do is access the Melbet.com website by clicking on the link in the video description. In the upper right corner, click on the register button as it is circled in red. In the registration options, use email as a way to register as it is circled in red. This site works best with Gmail. Fill in the first name, last name and email fields and click next as it is circled in red. Select your country, your city and enter your phone number. Make sure you use a valid phone number, this will be checked. Click next as it is circled in red. Now, select your currency, enter a strong password with at least 8 characters, type the password again. In the promo code field write Mr. Bets, this promo code gives you a bonus of up to $1,200 on your first deposit. Click register for finish your register at melbet.com and secure your bonus. After registering, you can log in to the platform, click login. Don't forget to check your email to activate your account. Make your first deposit, receive your bonus, good luck and good bets.